Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is articulate. It is pronounced ar-tic-u-late and is spelt A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-T-E. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Articulate is an adjective. It means having or showing the ability to speak fluently and coherently. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to express maybe an idea or feeling fluently and coherently. For example, you could say, the young girl was very articulate and could express her thoughts clearly. Or the teacher encouraged her students to articulate their opinions during the class discussion. The word articulate comes from a Latin word which means jointed or distinct. In the film Matilda Wormwood is an incredibly articulate child. She speaks eloquently and uses her vocabulary to express herself in a way that far surpasses her age. Synonyms for articulate include eloquent, fluent, expressive, and well-spoken. Antonyms for articulate include inarticulate, tongue-tied, and unclear. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, articulate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.